You coming on this particular event tells me how invested you are and committed in pursuing more about wound care management.
We started this education event earlier this year because we wanted to take an opportunity to bring a very local, collaborative approach to hands-on skills development.
I think it's very important. I think you learn better seeing stuff and also doing it. And I'm also like a practical kind of learner. Like I can understand when put into work for myself.
It's beneficial, especially in long-term care. So it teaches us how to buy certain product, give us an idea on like what's the best product for the certain pressure injuries or wounds. It helps us to like what other products that speeds up healing process.
Having a hands-on with the ostomies and the wound care examples, it was very helpful because rather than just seeing like a presentation of it or people talking about it, you get the experience of getting to handle what to do on it, what are some challenges you may actually face while doing it, rather than just someone else telling you about their experience.